Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix we could not find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face on your Windows 11 system. If you also find such type of error on your Windows Hello, then here are the fixes, and the first one is go to settings of your system, right click on a start button, choose settings. From the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side and here look for the option optional features. Scroll down and you will find the option optional features. Click on it and here under added features type hello to search Windows Hello, and facial recognition Windows Hello successfully added. If in your system if it is not added, then simply add it. The next workaround to fix this issue is again open File Explorer and make sure that Face driver is duly installed on your system. Here go to this PC C drive, open Windows, here scroll down and choose system 32. Thereafter look for WinBioFace. Scroll down and go to W alphabet and you will find WinBio plugins. Open it and make sure that Face driver is duly installed on your system. If you don't find Face driver, then first install Face driver on your system. The next one is again go to right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here under go to camera section, expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process of your camera driver. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Hello error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box. Here type services.msc. Services.msc, it will open services windows in your system. And here look for biometric service. It may be either biometric service or Windows biometric service. So go to W alphabet and open Windows biometric service. Open it and go to service status, and if you found it in a stop mode, then start it first. And thereafter go to a startup type section and set a startup type as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Hello error